Today we're going to debunk the preheating your anvil myth. Let's get forging. Well, there you go. I hope that puts an end to it. Preheating an anvil, complete myth. Don't need it. I forge welded up this wrought iron bar, these two halves real quick together with a drop the tongs weld, no less. As you could see in the video, I wasn't under any sort of rush or rushing around. I just efficiently put the pieces together, had them at a sufficient temperature, and forge welded them up just like I would do on any other regular anvil here in the shop. Now obviously, hello, it's an anvil made of ice. That's 250 pounds of ice sitting right there that we just forge welded on. So let that be a lesson to you all out there. The only thing that matters is delta T when you're talking about whether you need to preheat something or not. This is so hot that it doesn't matter how cold that anvil is. The temperature difference is so great that any heat transfer you would get from this is going to be completely negligible and not felt by you, the smith. So have it out with me in the comment section if you like. Comment down below. Thank you to the channel members that make this content possible. God bless you all, and we'll catch you on the next one.